a great choice today with the 2017 Ram 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tow hitch, traction control, dual airbags, power steering, auto-dimming rear view mirror, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, security alarm, power windows, electronic stability control, compass, fog lamps, trip computer, tachometer, brake assist, panic alarm, overhead console, remote keyless entry, front reading lamps. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.